Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural, we have seen it is trading at a level of $2.585. Okay, and you have to understand something, that this is the zone where the price of natural gas is quite some time. Okay, and what is the zone? A zone of $3.053 and a zone of $2.086. This is the zone where the price of natural gas is moving for quite some time. Okay, otherwise if you look at this particular chart, this is a 15 minutes chart that you have to understand here, that whenever there is a breakout, and how the 15 minutes chart breakout is happening. See, this is the zone. As soon as it break out the zone, it makes a rise upside, and this is where traders makes profit. Okay, see, again if you look at this particular chart, there is a U pattern is forming, and that is where it tested here and again went up. This is where again our traders make profit. These are some of the points where you have to understand how the traders, and if you're looking for a longer view, then you have to go for a monthly chart or a weekly chart. Okay, see, now if you look at this chart from after July, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, as per the 15 minutes chart. Okay, and this volatility, what you can see from 2.7 to a level of 2.5, that is around $0.20. that is the moment where the volatility is going out. Okay, so now if we move on a day wise chart, where you will understand that the price is still moving in a zone of $3 and $2, which I have already explained you. Okay, so this gap is still pending. Okay, which I keep repeating in my every videos. And one more thing I repeat, that after pandemic there is a pattern forming. Okay, and this pattern is being repeated. What it says, that whenever it's hitting its previous high, suppose this is the first high, it went down and it form a swing, that is where it goes upside, move a second high and a fall. We have seen this fall is what we have seen in every time it makes a new high. Okay, and you can say this fall is 20, 30, 52 in 100% fall we have seen in the price of natural gas. Okay, after it makes a new high. So what you can see looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are high, because if you go on this particular day, what we have seen, that there is red candle forming, but before that particular day we have seen the green candle is forming. Okay, and chances are very high that if this level sustain, it can move further upside, because it is already forming a U pattern, but it has to go above a level of $2.78. that is the only point where we can see it can go further upside. Otherwise, if it goes below a level of around 2.4 and if it touches a level of 2.2, that is the only time where we can see it can go further down. Otherwise, there is not any chances that it can go further low. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, there is a continuous fall, but it is moving in a zone. Okay, and if the price is moving in a zone, you have to understand how much volatility is showing. So as per that, you can set your SL as well as your targets and your quantity. See, suppose if there is a huge volatility, what you can do is reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL by 2 as well as your target. What will happen with that? Suppose if the volatility in the normal day is like this, but in a volatile day it is like this, so you will, in this particular situation, you are keeping the same SL in this market, so your SL will be hit most of the time rather than hitting your target. In this situation, it's you can keep a normal SL, but when the volatility is high or any event is coming, or if there is a breakout happening, something like this, then you have to be careful with your SL, okay, as well as your target. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, yes, there is high chances that it will not sustain, because we have seen there is a continuous fall is happening, and the next support we can see coming at a level of $2.57. If the price fall below that level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.515, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 2.471. Okay, and once started moving below this level, this is the zone where we have seen this is the low of this particular point. So if it started moving below that level, we can see it can go towards $2.421. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind that once started falling below this level, because once it fall below this particular point, chances are very high it can go towards a level of $2.421 to a level of 2.358. Okay, and if that level move further down, then you can say it can go towards a level of 2.243, and from there it will cross a level of 2.163. Okay, as soon as it crosses this particular level of 2.143, it will move out from this zone and can touch a level of $2.062, that is already being tested here. Okay, and already being a weak support, so chances will be high it will move out once it move below a level of $2.162, and it will touch a level of 2.062. Okay, and that is the low of this particular point. Now it will touch in a zone of around $1.982, and if that level move further down, then we can see it can touch a level of around 1.842. If the price fall below $1.842, then we can see it can touch a level of $1.732, and once it move below that level, then it will come in a zone of 1.61, and then further if the price didn't sustain. You have to keep it in mind, because this level we have not seen since 2020, July of 2020. So probability is very high that it can move further low. And understand something, when the price stays in a zone for quite some time and it moved out, then there is high chances if it moves above this particular level, it will make a sharp upside, or if it moves below that particular level, it will make a sharp fall, or it will go down. You can make profit at that particular point, but set your SL. Whatever anybody says, you have to listen. You have a limited capital. Okay, always try to set N for a particular trade. How many trades are you can divide that your capital in that, and always set a 0.5 to 1% of SL, so that if you lose even in one trade, you will not be in a panic situation, and then you can make your profit in the other trades. Okay, so if there is a zone breakout, then we can see a fall will happen, or if rise can happen. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. But suppose if the price sustain, because what we can see that this is the point, a level of 2.780. If it sustain, a U pattern is forming, so chances are very high that it can go towards a level of around $2.680. Okay, that level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone, and a probability of going towards a level of 2.729 is there. 2.729 is being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can touch a level of around $2.77. That is already being a weak resistance. So once it sustains this level, chances of touching this particular level is there, but this is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of $2.875. Okay, this $2.875 is already being tested here, so chances are high it can go towards a level of 2.926. Okay, this 2.926 is the half this particular zone, so as soon as it sustain above this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $3.053. Okay, this $3.053 is the half this zone, so once it sustain above that level, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $3.307, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 3.5 to a level of 3.7. Keep that in mind. As soon as it moves out of the zone, chances of touching 3.3 will be there, and from there we can see a level of 3.5, and then further upside if the price sustain this level. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.